Data Analysis Assignment Help. For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@statisticshomeworksilver.com or reach us at https://www.statisticshomeworksolver.com. SPSS Data Analysis Homework Solution. Get access to free solutions on SPSS Data Analysis online on our website. The solution developed by us are flawless and straight to the point. That's why you can use them to learn and revise for exams. What's better, we don't charge you a dime to go through them. Frequency tables and measures of central tendencies below are solutions to questions on frequency tables, measures of central tendencies, and other concepts of data analysis using SPSS. Mean, median, and standard deviation are some of the calculated parameters. A histogram pie chart, dot plot, and frequency polygon are constructed to give a visual presentation of the data. Creating a detailed frequency table description. The data set represents the number of minutes a sample of 27 people exercise each week. 108,139,120,123,120 123,131,131 157,150,124,111,101 119 1,619,129,118,114,118,119,114,127,142,130. statisticshomeworksolver.com. 1. Construct a frequency distribution for the dataset. Include class limits, midpoints, boundaries, frequencies, and cumulative frequency. Describe each graph. Solution. Class limits midpoint frequency y cumulative frequency 100, 112, 10633 113 to 125 119, 11. 14 126 to 138 132 822 139 to 151 145 426 152 to 164 158 127. Generating a histogram for the table. 2. Display the data using a frequency histogram and a frequency polygon. Histogram. statisticshomeworksolver.com. 311 844 68 10 12 histogram. 102 100-112 113 to 125 126 to 138 139 to 151 152 to 164 frequency polygon. statisticshomeworksolver.com. 024681 012 frequency polygon. 0100-112 113 to 125 126 to 138 139 to 151 152 to 164. 3. Display the data using a stem and leaf plot. Count stem leaf 2 10 1 8 7 11 1 4 6 7 8 9 9 8 12 0 0 3 3 4 7 7 8 7 13 0 1 1 2 5 9 9 1 14 2 2 15 0 7. statisticshomeworksolver.com. 5. Make a pie chart graph. 100 to 112 11%, 139 to 151. 15% 152 to 164 4% pie chart. 100 to 112 113 to 125 126 to 138 139 to 151. 1. 113 to 125 126 to 138 41% 29%. 152 to 164. Constructing a dot plot. statisticshomeworksolver.com 024681012 0123456. Dot plot. Finding the measures of central tendency. statisticshomeworksolver.com Class limits midpoint frequency fx(m) open parenthesis x minus m close parenthesis squared f xm caret 2. 100 112 1063 318 minus 20.7037 428.6433 1285.93 113 to 125 119 11 139 minus 7.7037 59.34705 652.8176 126 to 138 132 8 105 65.296296 28.05075 224.406 139 to 151 145 4 518.2963 334.7545 1339.018 152 to 164 158 158 31.2963 979.4582 979.4582 total 27. 342 4481.63 mean median equals. statisticshomeworksolver.com Therefore, the median will be in the class limit 113 to 125 standard deviation equals finding the coefficient of variation and CI coefficient of variation equals 2. Confidence interval for mean. The confidence interval for the mean is 122.844 and 131.536. Testing the hypothesis 10. The coach claims that mean time the 27 people exercise is more than 125 minutes each week. Can you support the claim using a level of significance of 0.05? statisticshomeworksolver.com Level of significance equals 5% equals 0.05 test statistics. Test statistic critical value 1.645 conclusion. Since the test statistic is less than the critical, we fail to reject the null hypothesis because there is no enough evidence to support the claim that the mean time of 27 people exercise is more than 125 minutes each week. statisticshomeworksolver.com